I'm Pauline Lancaster with GB & Smith. Today we're going to show you how you can promote content in business objects using flags. So I'll show you what I mean by flagging content. So I'm going to go into the Launchpad and I'm going to look at this this crystal report. Okay, so here I've got a crystal report. If I right click on it, I can select properties. So here is the description. So this is where the flag goes, in the description field of the object. So we've identified a set of objects that are going to be included in this promotion, and you can actually generate a list of what is going to be included. So if I go to the Audit tab, here I have flagged objects. I'm going to click on the Excel icon and it asks me for the flag value. So I'm going to put in that release 2.5 flag that I identified, and I'm going to click OK. It's going to export all of those objects to Excel. So I'm going to go to the Schedule tab. So this is with 360 Plus, and I'm going to select Schedule Promotions. And here I'm going to create the promotion tasks. I've logged into my source environment. So this is where the flag is helpful. So normally what you have to do in order to promote objects, you have to locate those objects. Go to the folders where those reports are located, locate the universes. So in this case, because we flagged the objects, we don't need to do any of that. All you need to do is select folders and select universe folders. That folders, by checking folders, that's going to take care of the Webby and the crystal reports that I have flagged, and by checking universe folders, that's going to take care of the universes that I have flagged. Okay, then I'm going to put in the information for my destination environment. Here is the migrate with flag option. This is the option that allows us to promote based on a flag. So here I go. I've got release 2.5, that's my flag. I'm going to click submit. I can go to the logs. As you see, everything that was flagged has been promoted.